Hi viewers, great to see you again and I hope you're all very well. So what I'm now previewing will be the ECB rate decision and the press conference, with the ECB rate decision due at 12:45 and the press conference due at the usual time, 1:30 London time. Now, a bit of attention will be on both the rate decision and the press conference. Usually it is mainly on the press conference, but today should be quite an exciting one. Well, in terms of the actual rate decision, the bulk of analysts surveyed do expect unchanged at 1%. However, out of the 17 of the 60 do expect a change in the rate. So 16 of those analysts surveyed do expect a 25 basis point cut, taking that to 0.75%. One of those of which being Morgan Stanley, and one out of the 17 expecting a change, expecting a 50 basis point cut. Now, as I said, the general sense among market participants is for an unchanged reading on that. But attention will, of course, switch to the press conference following the rate decision at 1:30, where Draghi is expected to note downside risks, so significant downside risks. So this has been a continued theme for the past few meetings or so now, just given that since the last meeting in May, we've seen a bit of a deterioration in the outlook for the Eurozone, just given the various economic indicators in the likes of the PMIs, which have been very poor. So this should be interesting. He's likely to note the downside risks. We'll also look out for any possible hints on any additional measures from Draghi, so that will be a bit of focus also. But yesterday, just recapping, we did have a US think tank report, that's Market Talk of a think tank report, suggesting that the ECB are to take no action whatsoever. They're going to leave rates unchanged and there'll be no mention of any unconventional or conventional measures. So just be aware of that. That was yesterday, and also we had sources saying this similar thing also. Other than that, guys, I wish you the best of luck when trading, if you are trading the press conference and also the rate decision. I wish you the best of luck and enjoy the rest of your trading day. Thank you.